Jarib jatend piny Kenya Kithure Kindiki odiochieng' mano ma kawuono ne oriwore kod jotelo mago mamoko anyuola familia kaachiel kod osiepe mar mosenindo Anita Kendi Murungi mano mabende ne obagne nyasi mano mar alam mogik e od lamo mar The Evangelistic Catholic Church mano mabende yudore bore Nairobi kocha. Kindiki ne otiyo kod thuolo maket koda mano mar chiwo ote mar mogik mar kuyo kod lit ne familia kama bende ne otiyo kod thuolo no mano mar kwayo ganda jo Kenya mondo mi ginya kwe e pacho kae.
Life of Anita and Kiraitu's family, it is a good time to reflect about our country because our nation is formed by the aggregation of the families that constitute the Kenyan people. I want to respectfully request that as we transact our national issues, our national challenges, we must preserve and prioritize national peace and national stability. We take our stability and our peace for granted unless and until when it is taken away. Even for a moment, for a minute, you can see the strain that we put ourselves when our peace, our stability is threatened. We will not agree all the time on all the issues. We cannot agree. We'll disagree on politics, on many issues. But the one thing all of us in government, opposition, and independence, the one thing we must protect jealously is the peace, stability, and cohesion of our country. I want to respectfully request all stakeholders of whatever shade of opinion, of whatever persuasion, to love Kenya more than they love other things, and to preserve Kenya as our homeland. I want to end my remarks by conveying the condolences of President William Ruto, who is out of the country at the moment. The President has been in touch with Governor Kiraitu Murungi directly. He has spoken to him. He has passed his condolences, and he has offered his support directly to the family. And therefore, President Ruto mourns with us. And for those of us who are able to come to Meru on Friday, we will be very happy to see very many of you, because that should mark the final step in the dignified send-off of Anita.